Hey everyone, Forex Sensei here from the FX Dojo. Hope you guys are having a great day. Just wanted to let you know how you could actually make 10K in less than 45 minutes. This isn't a clickbait title. However, there are some caveats which I want to describe and talk to you guys about, and then we can get into it. First of all, anything that I'm saying here is for educational purposes as a disclaimer. I would also recommend that you use a demo account before moving on to live, or if you're going to be using a live account, then you will be using small lots in order to increase your confidence before moving on to what I'm talking about. This is more for people in the intermediate to advanced stages of their trading career. So for those who are beginners, you could take this, but you can scale it down. So with that in mind, let me introduce you to gold. So this is gold here. This is XAU USD. So when we look at it here, just as an option here, XAU USD, also known as gold. Now, what I wanted to share is the fact that when we look at gold, gold is a very volatile pair. It's one of the most volatile pair that you can trade. The one that holds the title the most really is Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin's been fluctuating a lot over the past couple of weeks, so that's something in another video I can talk about as to how you can master Bitcoin and how you can trade it for very big profits. But that's for another video. Let's crack on with this one. So the focus of today is how you can make 10K in 45 minutes or less. Now you might be asking yourself, Forex Sensei, what are you talking about? How can you actually do that? I'll show you. So I want to take a look at a couple of trades that happen so I can institute and show you what's happening. So here we have Monday's session here, and I won't go through all the details as to what's happening here in such. I'll be going through another video which I'll have a annotation and a link in the description going through what divergence is, what is the TDI, and a separate TDI video. So what I'm looking for here is I was looking for a W. Now in this, you can see here, there's an actual W formed. It looks very ugly, however, as you can see here. So we can see the W formed here. And as we look at that W, we can notice a couple of things. One, this high here, this high here, there's a lower high, and then we have here is in reverse. So this is what's known as divergence. So as I mentioned, how can you make 10,000 in under 45 minutes? How's that possible? Well, with gold, when gold moves, it moves pretty rapidly. But first, let me flip over to my pip calculator and I'll show you how you can make 10K in 45 minutes or less. Okay, so now we're at my pip calculator. I put in the amount of 1,350 pips. This is the amount that I've calculated through research and testing, which you can use to make 10K. Now, a couple ways you can do this. One, you can have a lot size of 10, which can bring you the match number, or you can have a lot size of 5 and simply double your trade. Now most people tend to do single trades. I use double. It's what I've been doing since I started, and I found that it works out pretty well. It gets to my targets a lot easier. You can also even do quadruple trade, but you also have to make sure that you have enough capital in your balance to make it work, and that you're okay to accept the risk if it was to turn against you. So with that in mind, if we were to look at 1,350 pips, this is at 1,400, and we were to look at it at a trade size of 5 lots, we get the magic number of 10,000, over 10,000 actually. In euros it's 12,000, and in USD it's 13,500. So one thing to note about gold is the fact that with gold, the amount, the dollar, euro, pound per pip is very high. So any moves that it makes for you or against you is also quite high. But with that in mind, if you know what you're doing, and a saying that I've made as well, if you know which way the market's going, the lot size is all irrelevant. However, with this being said, because you're expecting a reversal that the market maker is going to give you, what we have here is we have, in the space of 1, 2, 3 candles, 45 minutes, we have 1400 pips, or we would take this to the exact extreme, 1650 pips. And if we were to take that and combine it, then we got nearly 17,000 in US, 14,708 in euros, and in GBP, just under 14,000. And that's in 45 minutes. If you could take your phone or your laptop or your computer, have the trade on, put the stop loss over at 200 so that your stop isn't being taken, you're immediately in profit. In the space of 45 minutes, you're done. If you want to do any more trading, then obviously you look for your appropriate setups and you would take them. If you're looking at how to understand how this works, I have a course as well that I have made that I can also introduce you to, and also have a WhatsApp group that I speak about what the market is doing for the 3 pairs that I exclusively trade. I'm not one of the other Forex traders that will trade 10 and 20 different pairs. I simply trade 3, and I'll look at Bitcoin as a potential 4th. So as we can see here, very short to the point, we just made potentially 13,375 in 45 minutes. Now, what could you do with 10K? For a lot of people, that's how much you'll earn in 3 months. The power that is here in Forex is unlike anything else you can do, because a lot of people have the magic number of earning 10,000 a month, and you can do X, Y, and Z with affiliate marketing, which is another video I'll be talking to you guys about. But what's the best way to earn $1 million the quickest? What's the best way to earn 100K the quickest? What's the best way to earn 10,000 the quickest? Forex, in all honesty, to give you the nuts and bolts of it. However, when we're looking at this from a strategic point of view, we want to make sure that we capitalize on what the market's doing and be able to work with the market makers as opposed to against them. So, hope this video has been informative to you. If you don't mind to like, comment, and subscribing. Liking, commenting will just tell the YouTube algorithm to send this video to more people, and subscribing will just help out my channel as I'm looking to grow this channel and looking to get to that magic 1K number. So if you don't mind, like, commenting, and subscribing, and also sharing the video for those who want to know more about how to make money online. Really, once you understand the key tenets, the quick way, bring them over to the dojo. And this has been the Forex Sensei, and I hope you guys had a great time. Peace. I'm out.